All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really nice. I got a Manix XL, Manix 2, from Spyderco, but this is not just a regular Manix 2 XL, this is a St. Nick's Knives exclusive. So this guy comes with a soft pouch, you got a sticker, you got some silica gel, you got a little bit of paperwork and more paperwork, you got a nice sticker, obviously, with this exclusive. This is a limited edition from Spyderco, and it's a very nice one. It's a big boy, guys. Look at this CPM 4V steel. This guy, it's a big boy. It comes, with Deadpool colors, like this red right over here, and you get like this blacked out blade with matching hardware, of course, and liners as well. This is a big boy, guys. So it's still brand new. I mean, you can Spidey flick it, but you see, it just needs like a little bit of, yeah. It's stiff, but it's a big boy, and it's a classic Manix 2. This is the XL version. Sorry. This has a 10 centimeters long blade with a 9 centimeters long cutting edge and 12 and a half, almost 13 for the handle. So overall, this fella is going to be 22 and a half centimeters. Very, very strong lock, of course. Let me check the weight on this fella. It's not gonna be like as lightweight, so 5.24 ounces. You're gonna feel definitely this in the pocket, but it's pretty good. I mean, you can, this is gonna be pretty quick, just an overview to show you this exclusive limited edition for this Manix 2 XL. It looks pretty good. It has all the bells and whistles of the regular Manix, just a limited edition with these pretty cool Deadpool colors from St. Nick's Knives. So guys, there you have it. I really hope you liked this quick video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.